If you're looking for a strong legal way to protect your assets from lawsuits, creditors, or other financial threats, an offshore asset protection trust may be exactly what you need. When set up properly, it becomes incredibly difficult for anyone, even with a court judgment, to get access to your wealth. But keep in mind, these trusts must be carefully structured by experienced professionals. Any weaknesses in the setup can be exploited, so working with the right experts is essential. I'm the CEO of Lawyers Limited and have been helping clients protect their assets since 1991. Our team has set up more offshore trusts in the Cook Islands, the top jurisdiction for asset protection, than any firm worldwide. Here's a quick overview of what an offshore asset protection trust involves and how it works. First, the trust is created in a jurisdiction with favorable laws, like the Cook Islands, Nevis, or Belize. These countries offer strong legal barriers against foreign court rulings, meaning if someone sues you in the U.S., they cannot force the offshore trustee to hand over your assets. We typically combine the offshore trust with an offshore LLC limited liability company. This gives you control when things are calm, but if you face legal threats, the trustee can take over management of the LLC to protect the assets from seizure. To go along with the trust, we also help you open an offshore bank account. This step is crucial. Even if your trust is based offshore, keeping money in a domestic bank still leaves it vulnerable to U.S. court orders. Offshore banks in stable jurisdictions offer more privacy, stronger legal protections, and, in many cases, better financial ratings. Now, who are the key players in an offshore trust? The settlor. That's likely you, the person who creates and funds the trust. The beneficiaries. These are the individuals who benefit from the assets. The trustee, a licensed bonded professional or company in the offshore jurisdiction who manages the trust according to your instructions. The protector, optional, an independent third party who can oversee the trustee and step in if needed. One of the most powerful aspects of an offshore trust is that it's not subject to U.S. court rulings. U.S. judges don't have the authority to compel a foreign trustee to comply with their orders. So even if you lose a lawsuit at home, your offshore assets remain out of reach if the trust is properly set up and funded in time. There are some minor drawbacks, mainly perception, extra tax reporting, and comfort level. But when weighed against the protection and peace of mind it provides, most clients find it's well worth it. We also offer a hybrid solution called a trigger trust. This starts as a U.S. trust and converts into an offshore trust if you're ever legally threatened. That gives you flexibility and protection when you need it most. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, visit assetprotectionplanners.com. You'll find free resources, videos, and the option to schedule a consultation with our team. Let's help you protect what you've worked so hard to build.